Over to the service voucher in the transaction section, it is given to the clients by the company. And here just gave the invoice number and I can select whether it's cash or party. If you want to add new party, just add button and give the details of the account ledger party. I just gave the name, details, everything and can save it and close it. And I'm selecting in the service account. So I just selected service account in there and I want to add salesman. So if you want to add new salesman, just press plus button and add the details of the new salesman. Otherwise, you just can select the new salesman from the drop down menu itself. Here I'm giving all the details of salesman and just saving it. And the credit period. You can see the credit period over there. And it's mainly used by which payment has to be done. That is the period by which the payment has to be done. And the currency is set as rupee. And if multiple currencies are allowed, currency can be changed. And here you can see the particulars. The particular means which service you are providing. Here just make the particular as job and job is the service. And before that I just want to add the service category. So I just went to masters and selected out there and I'm just making a category. Here I'm making the category as consultancy and under this consultancy the job service comes. So I make the name as consultancy and just save it. And again I'm going to masters and just selecting the service and job will be coming under the service. So you can see this job under the category consultancy and here just can select the category as consultancy and it under the comes job and here you can see the rate also that will be set it manually by us and you can save it and again go over to the service voucher. You can see under that service in the particulars and measure will be manually given by us and the amount is automatically comes that's already set it just before and print after save you can give out there to print it and total amount is the right side you can see and if you want to remove something you can use the remove button and if, next particular you are adding again. So measure 2 is given and same amount it's already come and grand total you can see and after everything you just can save it. So after saving successfully you can go to the next register portion and it's mainly used for the companies who provide services and the register part just go to the register portion of the services. So service voucher register you can see and you can filter it according to the from date to date and by selecting cash or party, selecting all or through the voucher number also. So now I just searched according to the voucher number. So in the voucher number 2 I can't see anything, so I just changed to 1. So in the voucher number you can see the details of that. So double click on it so you can see the category details. So if you want to do any updation, just double click and do the updation. You can change the measure anything or you can change the difference in the grand total and just press the update to do the updation.